I'm Brad, CEO at KMT. Advances in technology are redefining our new normal, enabling users to work from anywhere, on any device, at any time. Whilst this has increased business productivity and efficiency, it also exposes cybersecurity vulnerabilities in the case of inadequate cybersecurity protection. That's why we've evolved our managed service offering to include a comprehensive security layer. We call this Secure Modern Workplace. You'll enjoy a dedicated help desk team who take accountability for all your IT issues, and an account manager who will work with you on your long-term strategy and IT roadmap. Our cyber-first managed services will manage your cyber risk, keeping you up to date with current best practice, security frameworks and compliance requirements, such as meeting the Essential 8 Maturity Level 2 as a minimum. We're the human face of tech, and our team look forward to hearing from you.